Don't tell me you're still finding it difficult to make custard. Like, really? Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your custard without lump. Mind you, you need to pay attention because if you miss the base, then you can't achieve this. So you bring out your pots and then you bring out your custard. For your custard, I'm using checkers, and this is the quantity I'll be using today. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. There is an important stress on a little bit of water because you need your base to be very thick in order for you to be able to achieve this. Then after that, we're just going to mix together until it's properly combined. I changed the spoon, and also you need to add water gradually because your base needs to be very thick, and at the same time you need to make sure you don't have any lump in it while mixing it together. This took me about 2 minutes for me to able to get it right. I had to mix it and make sure there is no lump in it. And just for extra flavor, I had to add my flavor in it, and I used strawberry flavor. If you want to do this, feel free to add any flavor of your choice. Then after that, you have to put water on fire and make sure it gets to a boiling point like this. Then we're just going to carry our custard and our hot water and mix together. Then we're just going to pour it just like this. Then you're going to stop the moment you see your custard like this, which means it is ready. But we had to turn it together and make sure it doesn't have any lump in it. So bring out your spatula, or if you have a whisk, but for me I use the spatula. Then we're just going to mix this until it is properly combined together. Then this is what we have. For sweetening, I just had to sweeten my custard with sugar. Then I mix together. As you can see, there is no single lump in this. Then after mixing together, time for us to serve. And by the way, I just wanted to ask, do you add fruit to your custard? Because for me, I do this a lot. I add fruit to my custard, I add fruit to my pap. But for this video, all I had to do is just to add granola to it. I'm adding granola to my custard, and also I'm going to serve with my milk. And this is what we have. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, tell me how I did in this video. Would you be recreating this video? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.